Welcome back to my channel. Want to say hello first of all to my new subscribers. And before we get started, you guys don't forget to all the new people that are watching the video that are not subscribed. If you like the video, hit that subscribe button and be sure to turn on your notifications so that way you are aware every time I upload a new video. I did tell you guys that I was going to get a new video out this month. I'm trying to do as much as I can before I go on vacation in a few weeks. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be reviewing 2 new products that I got. So if you guys want to see the products that I'm going to be reviewing, stay tuned and keep watching. Okay, so the first product that I'm going to be reviewing for you guys is the Morphe Highlight and Contour Palette. The shade is 8H Hi-Fi, and these are the deeper shades. There was another palette just like this, I think it's 7H, and those are lighter shades. So let's open this baby up to see up close what these colors look like. I haven't used these products, I haven't swatched them, and I'm just going to be applying these today. I'm going to be doing highlight and contour with these products today. And whichever one of these products that I don't use on my face, I will do a swatch for you. That way we can see the color payoff. And I don't know, you guys, I paid for the $25 for this, and from what I can see so far, just by packaging, I thought it was a little bit bigger, and I thought the colors were a little bit deeper. Okay, so as I mentioned before, I haven't contoured my face. You guys know I love doing a cream contour first before I do my powder, but just for you guys today, I'm going to be, and so that we can see what this product can really do by itself, we're going to be doing just a powder contour today. Okay, so, and I might be mixing some of these together. I might be layering some of these up. I don't know. It just depends on how they look. We'll see. I might have to mix a few because I like mine I like to be you know, contour that, bronzed up to the fullest extent. Gonna take my 129 MAC brush. So then I'm going to go in with Fabulous right here. I'm going to go in with Fabulous. Okay, when I mix these two together, I can see a little, you know, I can see a little bit, a hint of color. Debutante and Fabulous together are good. I see it a little bit. It's a little red. It's not bad, but it's not what I'm used to. But it's pretty. So far I've contoured just my face, and I think it's pretty. I think it's soft. It's not exactly what I'm used to, but I think it's pretty. I would have liked to see something a little deeper than what's listed here, than, you know, what's here in the palette. Do I think it's worth $25? Let's try out the highlighters and then I'll let you know if I think it's worth $25. But I mean, so far it looks okay. It's not bad. I think the shades have more of like a red undertone. I like mine to be like a true brown. A little bit more browner. It's not bad, but it's a little brown. But like I said, let's highlight. Let me go ahead and contour my nose first, and let's see what, because I didn't do any cream contour. I've only concealed right here, as you can see. So these here are natural lines, what you see of my foundation. So let's use Debutante, which is this shade right here. I'm gonna use Debutante to contour my nose, and let's see what happens. Not bad, you guys. Soft, it's pretty. It's okay. I mean, it's not bad. So the name of the highlighter that I'm going to use, I think I'm going to start with Venus, maybe. I think I'm going to do Venus. I'm not going to spray my face with any Fix Plus spray like I normally would. So I'm going to use this shade right here. Venus. Oh. Okay, Morphe. See you, Morphe. That's a nice glow. You guys see that glow? That's a nice little glow. I like Venus. You guys see that? Tell me, what do you think? I think it's very impressive. I think, you know what? Morphe never disappoints when it comes to pigmentation in their colors. Like, they're always bold, strong. I think this is really cool. Now let's put a little bit over the lip. Wow. Oh yeah. I like. This is pretty. Alright, so we're gonna do some swatches. So first, this is the shade Donut. This is Debutante, which is a little darker. This shade is called Blogger. This shade right here is called Fabulous. And this is like a red undertone. These are all the contour shades, or what some may call bronzer shades. This is the first highlighter shade. This is Beam. Look how pigmented that is. It's like a true champagne color. This is Mirage. It's like a bronzy color. This shade right here is like Big Bang. Nice and pigmented. And this last shade is Venus. This is what I highlighted my face with. Okay, so these are all 4 shades right here. Okay, guys, so final verdict on this product is it's not bad. It's really not bad. I think the contour shades are really soft and pretty. For me not to have done a cream contour like I normally like to do on what I normally would do on every makeup look, I think the shades are really powerful and pretty and pigmented. So, of course, I didn't have a doubt that Morphe would fail me with that, but I think it's pretty nice. I like the highlight shades. I like the highlighter shades. Everything looks really good. Looks really good. Not bad. I don't think it's not bad for $25. Not bad. I think it's kind of worth it. Do I think it's all that in a bag of chips? No. Compare this to my NARS Melina palette. This is the kind of deep shade that I like. See, I like a deep brown shade. You guys tell me what you think about this palette in the comments below. I'd like to hear what you think about it as well. Highlighter shades are great. Contour colors, I think they could have went a little bit deeper and not so much, put too much red in the bronzer, the contour shades, especially Fabulous. This one right here. I think $25 is a fair price. It's a fair price. You get 8 shades, you get 4 contour shades, you get 4 highlighter shades. The highlighter shades to me are off the chain. I think they're very pigmented. There's not what I like about these highlighter shades is there's not a lot of they're not chalky. Like I rub my finger through there and there's not like chalk flying everywhere. You know what I mean? So I do like that in a sense. So that's cool. Let's get on to the next product. I ran across the Morphe solid brush cleaner. And what kind of got me was the price. It was $9, only $9. And I like the names of the scents. Honey Lavender. I was like, that sounds good. Let me try that. It says on the back, swirl your wet brush into soap to create a lather, and then you rinse it out. So normally for brush cleaner, you guys, I always use a liquid brush cleaner. Here, this is what I always normally use to clean my brushes. I run through these so quick, and this jar here is $33.99. That's what I paid for this. So I said, let me just try something different. So when I got this is kind of what I expected for $9. It's a decent size pan. Of course, I have not tried this product at all. I wanted to wait until today to use it with you guys, so you can see, so we both can see if this really works. Is it worth $9? The smell is absolutely amazing. Honey and lavender, that's a good combo. It smells really good. It's soft, it's sweet, and that's what I like. So I have my wet brush here. This is what I use to contour my nose. Okay, so I'm just going to wipe this product here until I get some lather. This is a soaking wet brush. You guys saw how dingy it was. And we're going to wipe to see if it gets this clean. Okay, you guys, so I have rinsed this brush out. As you can see, it's clean. And I noticed that when I was rinsing, my brushes feel very soft, kind of like it's been conditioned. So yeah, this product definitely does it for me. And I just wish that maybe Morphe would double these pans and do like a 2-in-1, make a big jar. I definitely would buy that and pay $18 for it, since this is $9. But this smells great, and as you can see, my brush is clean. Super clean. See? It's now white. As before, it was kind of brown. So I will be buying more of these. I'll be buying a couple of these. I like these. So you guys, that concludes my review today of these products. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Tell me your thoughts below on the products that I reviewed today. Let me know if you would like to see more reviews. If you do, please let me know. Stay tuned, and I'll see you next time. Bye.